children will do another activity, which is to make a factor flower. Before doing or starting the activity, you should give the heading activity 2, date, write your name, section and roll number on the top of the page, and then write factor flower in, you can use any color pen or sketch pen. Then the name of the activity is you make a factor flower for 18. Okay, what you have to do, you have to make a flower. Okay, and you have to find the factors of 18, and all the factors of 18 you have to write on the petals of a flower. Petals, you know, जो फूल की पंखुड़ियाँ होते हैं उसे बोलते हैं petals. So you have to make a flower. In the middle you have to write 18, and on the petals you have to write the factors of 18. So before doing that, first you have to list all the factors of 18 so that you can count, or how you can know how many petals you have to cut. So for this activity you need color papers, actually 2 color papers, okay, and pencil, sketch pen, then scissor and glue. Write all the factors of 18. So all the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So you see 1 and 18 make a pair. 1 18s are 18 or 18 ones are 18. Then 2 and 9 make a pair. 2 9s are 18. Then 3 6 are 18. So you have total 6 factors for 18. That means to make a flower you need 6 petals. So see here I have cut this blue color. Here I am going to write the number 18, and I have taken yellow color paper and I have cut petals like this. You see, ये फूल की पंखुड़ियाँ जैसे, as 6 factors are there, so I have cut 6 petals. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then I am going to write the numbers on these petals. Here this will be the center of the flower. So here I am going to write the number 18, and on each petal I am going to write these numbers. Now see children, I have written 1 factor on each petals. So there are 6 factors, so I have cut out 6 petals and written all the numbers on it in bigger size so that it can be clearly visible, and 18 is written in the middle part of the flower. So similarly, then you can use your glue and paste this flower in your maths copy, or you can also take a straw, your sipping straw, and you can paste it at the back side of the flower and you can show it, right? So suppose you have a number where the number of factors are more. Suppose for 18 we have 6 factors, so 6 petals I have cut. Suppose for a number you got 10 factors, so accordingly you have to cut the 10 petals, and the size may be smaller so that all the petals can be accommodated here. Okay, so this is the factor flower activity. You can use any colorful paper, but see that the center part of the flower should have one color and all the petals should have a different color. Okay, so you can use papers of your own choice and make a factor flower. The number I'll be providing you, you have to make a factor flower neatly and beautifully.